All right, I want to keep going with our asymptotes. And so we need to clear up exactly when do you have horizontal, when do you have oblique, when is it y equals 0, when is it something else. And so maybe we'll get some contrast here. So let's go on to number 7 here. Now this is the first time we've seen this. The degree in the top is the same as the bottom. This is degree 3 divided by degree 3. Now you get an interesting horizontal asymptote out of this. It is going to be horizontal, not oblique. If the degrees are the same, if the degrees are equal, you take the ratio of the leading coefficients, 3 divided by 5. I know that seems crazy. So but what we're saying out of infinity is these little constants are irrelevant. And this is 3 times infinity cubed, and this is 5 times infinity cubed. The infinity cubes kind of cancel, leaving you a 3/5. 3 times infinity over 5 times infinity. So we say y equals 3/5, and in this case they give you the y equals, so you don't have to mention that. All right, now we can actually pick up some steam here and tell the horizontal asymptotes really quickly just by glancing at the degree in the numerator and the degree in the denominator. So the degree here is smaller than the degree in the top, so we know right away that it's a horizontal asymptote, y equals 0. Now the degree here is 1 larger, so we know right away this is an oblique asymptote, which is going to take some work. Let's do a couple others before we actually do some oblique asymptotes. This is 1 greater than the other oblique asymptote. This is horizontal asymptote, y equals 0. Oblique asymptote, oblique asymptote, oblique asymptote. So several oblique asymptotes right in a row. All right, let's jump to another one. Here's another oblique asymptote. I guess I was wanting to get you to get some practice. But let's jump to this one right here. This is a horizontal asymptote, and you can tell right away y is equal to 2 over 1. It's y equals 2 is the horizontal asymptote. You don't have to think real hard there. Degree is the same in the top and the bottom. Let's keep going. I'm just trying to get you that feel. This is going to be a horizontal asymptote, y equals 0. And then here's another one, horizontal asymptote, y equals 0. What I'm seeing here is the degree in the top is smaller than the degree in the bottom. So you just immediately go to the y equals 0. When they're equal, it's the ratio. When it's 1 greater, then we're talking about oblique. Number 16 is still different, and that's it. So I hope you have that idea now of quickly how you do determine horizontal asymptote, oblique asymptote, and the 2 different cases of horizontal asymptote. Anyway, I'll come back and do some of those oblique asymptotes, so you just get a little bit more practice with that long division. Anyway, thanks.